I can yap quite a bit, and there's a cop over there. So I think I'm gonna skedaddle out of here, and yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna skedaddle real quick. Hopefully, old copper isn't looking for me. Hopefully he's looking for that homeless-looking guy. Or helping that guy out instead of messing with me. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe someone reported me to the police. Crappy crap. Oh man. I'm literally about to drive by this guy. That's hilarious. And that cop pulled back out into the street. I basically did a big roundabout, big loopy loop. Yeah, there's that cop. That's awesome. Hopefully he doesn't pull in behind me. That would suck. Pretty bigly. We'll see. Hopefully a cop doesn't pull up on a unsuspecting guy. Yeah, he's pulling in behind me.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
What's up? Oh, shit. Yeah. Yeah, I just pulled in real quick to get some shots on my camera. Yeah.
I'm waiting for somebody right now. We have an officer training.
Okay.
So he'll basically conduct himself as if he was actually doing it. But,
All right.
your tags, if you have your driver's license on your body.
Yeah. It's in my bag. Ooh, shit. Oh, God. Oh, it's so cold. There you go. Oh. I'm recording. I'm getting some shots of my bike. Yeah. I just I was kind of riding around. I was like, oh, let me go pull in here. It's a Grom. I mean, it's not really hurting anything.
Driving across the grass or anything?
No, I was just driving on the walkway. This thing, I mean, you can pretty much throw it anywhere. A lot of people, they do wheelies on them and stuff because they're so light.
What is it supposed to be?
Uh,
Is it like a trail bike kind of?
yeah. So yeah, it's technically a pit bike, is what they're considered. They're categorized as, and yeah, it's a 24 model. I got it a year and a half ago, so. Yeah, it's pretty fun. I've got knobby tires on it. I take it out to like stuff and hit some single track trails out there. It's pretty fun. Yeah. Yeah, me and my buddies, they kind of make fun of me because it's,
They got a bigger one or something?
oh yeah, they got actual like dual sports and dirt bikes and stuff. So, yeah, it's a fun little bike. Yeah. Okay, my ignition's stuck. Okay. Oh. Y'all busy tonight? No.
We don't like saying busy words, isn't it?
Yeah.
If we say it, then it happens.
Yeah.
Where's Paul?
Oh.
Bike?
Huh?
Brand new bike?
Yeah, it's a year old. I've got knobbies on it. I put them on right at the end of the season last year, so I couldn't really do anything with them. And Yeah, I've been doing like a little off-road. I haven't really been able to get out yet this season. Of course, it's still cold, so I was just kind of taking it out, having a little fun. But yeah. I haven't got it. With these, I talked to the DMV, and I've got a guy. He works for the sheriff's department. All I've heard is if it's over 125, you have to have your license. So that's why I haven't got it. And this is really the like pre-license going and getting doing the MSF course and stuff. And I'm planning on actually getting a bigger bike this season or next season. I'm gonna do the MSF course once it warms up a little bit, get my license, and yeah. Yeah. Alrighty. Yes, sir. I appreciate it. Alrighty. Y'all have a good one. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna be making so much content, spending so much money on parts for the Grom to mod it and upgrade it or whatever. So yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully I can get more clickbait content like this, like getting pulled over. Oh man, that was awesome. So yeah, stay tuned, boys. Maybe not run into the cops, my local police department again, but you know, if I have to, so be it. Hopefully it's not the same guys, and hopefully I'm not on the same bike, and yeah, so oh, that's awesome. But yeah, guys, you know, subscribe, all that YouTube shenanigans. Subscribe, like, comment, turn the post notifications on, whatever, all that stuff, hoopla, whatever. Do whatever you want, bro. I do not care. Don't subscribe. Don't freaking like my video. I don't give a damn. Do whatever the hell you want to do, bro. Live your life. I'm gonna live mine riding a Grom. Oh man.